Hey, what's up, Steeler holders? This is live price prediction of Xlm. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you anyhow. Don't be selfish. Okay, just click on the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button. Okay, so you watching here as this is last 1 hour price prediction of Xlm. So you can see here the change of Xlm is very bad. They're going down. So you can see here and the graph, this is absolutely going down, and this is very back change of minus 1.4%. Absolutely very bad change, but for a selling, this is good time for selling. I think this is good time for selling. Okay, so let's see the profit as here. They are absolutely good, and I hope today they easily cross it $1. The highest change is of profit is 0.3847 US dollar. Absolutely good. So let's see the last 2 hour result. This is last 1 hour price prediction. Let's see the 2 hour result. The 2 hour result are also going down. You can see here and the graph, and they are going down. You can see here they are going down. So the change of here, the change is here, minus 2.02%. They are going down. So this is good time for selling. I think this is selling time. Just sell it. What your suggestion? I'm also Xlm holders. Please comment me what I do. Please comment me, and please click the subscribe button for latest update. Okay, press the bell icon for notification. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribe channel and keep watching ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.